Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. Let's get started. Go to Software, New, Solid, Part Modeling, give any specific name and use default template. Untick this use default template, click OK. We are using mm as a unit, so mm part solid absolute, click OK. Now go to the model. Always draw material adding feature first. Now I am going to draw this vertical plate of length 80 mm, thickness 12 mm and width also 80 mm. So go to software. I am taking front plane, sketch, sketch view. I am going to draw a rectangle square with the symmetric. For that I am drawing this center line. Press roller to confirm. Go to rectangle. It shows symmetric. Now just click, press the roller to confirm. Now both the dimension are 80. Specify 80, enter and go to fit screen. Now we have created. Click OK. Just rotate your object. Go to extrude. We are going to extrude a symmetric of thickness 12 mm. Specify this as a 12. Press enter. Click OK. Now we have created the side plate. Go to the model. Now I am going to create this bottom plate. For that, rotate your object. Select this surface as a reference surface. Go to sketch, sketch view. Now go to take reference of these edges. Just close. Now go to the model. The length is 65 for the center of this hole and the radius of this semicircle is 30. Now go to the model. We are going to model a symmetric rectangle. For that, make this one and go to rectangle. Just create a symmetric rectangle. Press roller to confirm. Now this distance is 30. Same, that means 60. This distance is 60. This height is 65. Go to fit screen. Go check the dimension. This height is 65. This radius is 30. That means this diameter is 60. Now we have done. Just go to circle. Take this one. Click here and press roller to confirm. Now we just want to delete unwanted segments. For that, go to delete segment. Delete this one, this one, this one and this one. Now we are done. Press roller to confirm. Now we are done our sketch. Click OK. Now go to extrude. Change the direction. Go to this extrusion. This thickness is 10 mm. For that, specify this as a 10. Inside. Now just click OK. Now go to the model. Now this bottom plate also we have done. Now we just want to draw this cylindrical. For that, of inner diameter is 25 and outer diameter is 40. The length we just want to extrude is 30. Just go here. Select this surface. Go to sketch, sketch view. Go to reference. Just close. Go to the model. Inner diameter is 25 and outer diameter is 40. Go to take this circle with center point. Create two circles. Press roller to confirm. Inner diameter is 25. Outer diameter is 40. Go and check. Yes. Now we have created this one. Just click OK. Just rotate your object. Go to extrude. This extrude length is 30. Press enter and click OK. Now we have created this cylinder also, but this hole is throughout the thickness. Just select the surface, go to sketch, sketch view, go to reference, close, circle, press roller to confirm, just click OK, go to extrude, change the direction to next, material removal, just click OK. Now we are done. Now go to the another feature. The another feature is rib of radius 50. So for that, just go here, select this mid plane, go to sketch, sketch view, it's shows in reverse. Further sketch setup, top and top, just choose this top, just click OK. Just go to reference, select these edges as reference for your sketch, just close. Now go to arc with 3 points tangent ends, select this point, select this point, just Ctrl Z, select this point, select this point, cancel, yes, press the roller to confirm. Now this radius they have specified as 50, this radius is 50, just go here, change this into 50. Now we are done, just click OK. Now we have done. Then for profile rib, by using this line we cannot make because we have the cylindrical object here. For that, just go to sketch view, take line, create line here and press roller to confirm. Again create line here, press roller to confirm, again press roller to confirm. So now we have created a profile for profile rib. Just click OK, go to rib, profile rib. Now you can see it has taken the object. Now just go to the model. The thickness of the rib is 10 mm. Here they have specified. Go to the model, specify this as a 10. Just click OK. Now go to the model. Now we have modeled all the features. As this hole we just want to make finally 2 holes of diameter 10 mm and the center distance between this hole is 50 mm and the distance from the top edge to center point is 20 mm. Just go here, select the surface, go to sketch, sketch view. We are going to make a symmetric hole. Just make this line point and go to reference, this side edges, just close. Now go to circle with center point, just create one circle and create another circle with equal diameter. Just press roller to confirm. Now this should be symmetric. First make this 2 circle are symmetric to this one, first one, then the diameter of this 2 hole are 10. Just specify this diameter is 10 and go here. The distance from top edge to center is 20. This is 20 and they have specified the distance between 2 holes is 50. For that, select this one, select this, and select this center. This distance is 50. Now we have specified all the dimensions. Now just click OK. Go to extrude, change the direction, change into to next, just click OK. Now go to the model. We have made all things. Now we just want to make a round fillet of radius 15. Just go here, select this edge, again select this edge by press Ctrl and Alt. Now we have selected these edges. Go to round of radius 15, just enter, just click OK to confirm. Now we have created a fillet here. Similarly, we just want to make a fillet of radius 20 here and here. For that, just go select this edge, press Ctrl and Alt, select this edge also, just go to round of radius 20, press enter, just click OK. Now we have done. Just go to the model. Now we have completed our full model. So for viewing, just untick all the planes, go to shaded with edges, just go to view, appearance, select this one, and click OK. Now we have completed our model. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and thank you.